great big bloody stadium. It's mad. Chinese can't play football for shit. For shit. They even lost to Hong Kong a while ago. How are you going to lose to yourself, lads? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. But they have amazing brand new football stadia everywhere. Now, disclaimer, I don't know if that's actually for football. Maybe not, probably not. Most people will hate this and find it boring. This is my favorite thing in China. Take a little bike, find an empty new area, and zoom the fuck around. Just zoom around. It's the perfect combination because you're unbothered by Chinese people, but you get to appreciate their lovely infrastructure. Ooh, yeah. There's another ninja, face mask, and the umbrella. Stay away from me, UV rays. Just wear sun cream. Just wear sun cream. It's alright, we covered it. So anyway, there's someone chilling. Hopefully that's not a corpse. Yeah, the legs twitched. He's alive! Ooh, that wind is good. Maybe you can't hear nothing that I'm saying. Anyway, take in the views. Take in the views of nothing. I appreciate this is nothing, but I like it, man. And then sometimes you get two random hotties walking down the road, one in school uniform, one in a dress. It's like, where did you come from? Where the hell did these hot girls just spawn from? Look, there's no metro here, not even a bus or a tram stop. It's Monday, Tuesday? It's Tuesday on a holiday, so they weren't in the stadium. Certainly not dressed like that. Now the problem is I'm dipping right. I want to go left because I saw some twin towers over there, but can only seem to get there by the highway. You do see people quite often cycling bikes, and I do mean bicycles rather than e-bikes on the motorway, but I don't really want to do that. But it's not a proper motorway, just kind of expressway thing. Some nice football pitches. They've got really nice football pitches in China. So smooth, so lovely. They invested a lot of money about 10 years ago. Then they pulled the plug when they realized, sadly, it's just never going to work. You should never say never, you shouldn't be negative, but nah, China's never, I'm going to call it never, not in 800 years, are they going to become a footballing nation. At least not until or unless the entire structure of society changes, because they don't prioritize media or sports or arts. That's seen as a waste of time, waste of money. Study, 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 study more, then go to uni, then study, then study, then study more. If you're exceedingly lucky, like I said before, get a government job and you are sorted for life. If not, try and get yourself another decent job. If you're playing football or something like that professionally, nah, it's just a total waste of time, as they see it. Now, you could argue they're right, yeah, be pragmatic. You're not going to make it, so it's much more than one in a billion. There's 1.4 billion people and they can't find 11 good players. But they have lovely stadia like this. There's a lovely wavy bridge over there. Honestly, I like this stuff in China, man. Just a huge, brand new, clean, lovely, perfect big road. Great big stadium. And nobody's here. Ooh. Again, you see CCTV cameras everywhere. You would assume that you can't do what you want in China. You're gonna be arrested. You're gonna be taken for questioning. Nah, bro, you can do what you want. And I'm not doing anything bad anyway. Alright, I was gonna come here and take a few pics, but I don't think it will look good. It's just a big, unfinished bowl. Hollow bowl. Not really hollow, topless I mean. Hollow in the top. How'd you say hollow in the top? Top hollow. Tolo. It's a Tolo stadium. I want to go up to that bridge up there, but maybe can't. It's a nice... Is that an Xpeng? Don't even know what car that is. But yeah. Many people disagree, of course. Most foreigners would prefer the China, like ancient Beijing, or maybe the Nanjing where I was last night. The smells, the sounds, the street food hawkers, all the hustle and bustle. Yeah, that can be nice, but sometimes you just want to get away from Chinese people, but you still want to appreciate the best infrastructure in the world. So how do you do that? Ding ding ding! Just go to any one of the new areas in any city. Again, in the West you might have one new area or one new CBD that's just been built. In China you have multiple new areas like this in every single city. I shit you not. Oh yeah! Finally got up to this nice bridge. It's not that nice up close actually. I thought it was new and Zaha Hadidi. Instead it's a little bit old and rusted, but it's okay. There's a great big ball thing over there. Woo! Jesus, it's bloody hot. Little birds. You never see birds in Shenzhen. Someone told me because they ate them all. Maybe it's true. Or maybe birds are drones. Alright, nice. Good little panorama. I don't know what that is down there. Looks a lot like Shenzhen Civic Center. A little bit. But it's not. Because I'm not in Shenzhen. I'm in Nanjing. And it's bloody hot. Probably not as hot as Shenzhen, but anyway. Nice river. Over there is the Zifeng. I guess it's called Zifeng Tower. Tallest one in Nanjing. A little bit unclear on the phone. I think it's a very blue, clear day, but I see on the camera it ain't looking that good. See them connected twin towers. I wanted to get over there, but it's difficult to do so. Did I mention it's hot? Well, I see some fish. Ah, that's why the dudes over there have got their rods at. Alright, trusty Alipay bike. Further on, steed.